What if your children don't like drawing or journaling? And do you worry that nature study might be a struggle for your family? Don't worry, because we'll explore simple ways to make nature study enjoyable for everyone, even if drawing or journaling isn't their thing. Children learn to see the world around them with fresh eyes because they are honing their observation skills and they're noticing the subtle changes that occur as the seasons shift and the years pass. If you want to see the full video, press the link in the description.